Good morning, guys. Today we are going up to Beverly Hills because I'm gonna get my hair done by my friend Kiki. A lot of you requested a hair process video, so I talked to her about it and she was totally cool with me filming the whole entire process of her coloring my hair and cutting it as well. So I'm gonna let her talk about what she does to my hair because I'm not a hair person, I'm a makeup person. So she will explain things better than I can. But yeah, we are just leaving Orange County area, so it's gonna take us like an hour and a half to get to Beverly Hills. And anything else you want to say?
I'm not gonna get my hair done because I think it looks good. I just need more of it, but yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you guys up in LA. Yeah, I think what you said is fine. I trust whatever you say, so.
Okay, yeah, so like more taking weight out, not a lot of short layers, just like internally taking weight out so it lays like nice and like smooth and like straight. And then just like a soft layer around everything. So when you do curl, you'll have movement, but not a lot.
Okay.
And then as far as length, do you want to be like, do you want to like keep the collarbone?
Probably right there, yeah. Because if I go any shorter,
I wouldn't do it like on your shoulders. I would like do it below your shoulders. So then like, cause if you do it on your shoulders, it'll kind of like fan out and it'll like lay on your shoulders.
Okay.
So do it like, even the back, do like right below your shoulders. And then just, do you want it slightly longer in the front? Do you want it like A-line or do you want it like all the same across?
Be all the same. I don't know, I've never had the A-line before.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't want like distinct A-line, I would say because you go a while, like I would just do it like kind of slightly like longer, just a tiny bit.
Okay.
Just because your back ends up growing faster than the front, and so you don't want it to like be like grow in the back be longer than the front.
Okay.
So just do it like straight across and then just like tiny bit.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So as far as the front, the shortest piece, I would say like hit it like right here.
Okay, that's fine. Because I feel like that's good enough, but I'm not gonna be like, my hair is so short.
So yeah, it's still definitely like almost a mid-length cut. It's not like a short cut at this point because you're not clearing the shoulder.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good.
So we have the same hair choice.
Oh, this is the only thing that
I love
my
them.
hair up.
I know, me too.
Okay.
So for the color, do you want to just like touch it up? Because you'll be cutting in the back right here. You'll be cutting a lot of the blonde off, so it'll look like mostly dark back there.
Okay. Yeah.
Which I don't think is a bad thing. When you have a bob or anything like that, it's okay if you have like a little bit of shadow, but if you want me to, I can add highlights through that. What do you think? Do you want to be like blonder than today or about the same and like lift it up?
I want to go a little lighter.
A little bit lighter? Okay, and then do you want it to be like pretty light through here?
Yeah, I think
Top?
so.
Okay, do you want it more lightness in the front and not as much in the back? Like, do you want it to be concentrated more towards the front?
Yeah, I think that's what we've been doing, right?
Yeah, like I
like
would
that.
do like a heavier blonde in the front and then just do like lighter in the back and just like break up the dark.
Yeah, that sounds
Yeah, okay, cool. And then do you want it any lighter than it is right now on the ends? Once we cut it, you can decide. Because I'm just going to knock off some right now and then we'll do your cut after.
Okay.
But I'm going to knock it off and then you'll kind of be able to see like how much blonde you lost.
Okay.
And then you'll kind of be able to determine.
Okay.
But I think you should just do like mostly highlight through this section so when it falls over it's nice and like light. And then we can just like lighten the tips and the mids like everywhere else.
Okay, sounds good.
Sound good?
Yep.
Okay. I'm really excited. This is going to be fun.
Me too.
Your hair is faded so beautiful.
I know, everyone has been complimenting it.
It always looks so good in
I'm
pictures.
just like, I don't know.
I like can't stop putting it on my Instagram. So when we gloss it, do you want it to be kind of like ashy or do you want it to be like how it is kind of more in the frame?
I think ashy.
Okay, so like neutral.
Yeah.
Because ashy on your skin would not look like icy wouldn't look like super great, but I think neutral and then it'll fade to more of a gold.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds good. You already have so much warmth in there that if you add even more, it's gonna be like so.
Yeah.
So. Okay. Okay, so we did the highlights, and now we're doing a root gloss. And this is gonna help with her color, so it's gonna look really pretty, like for a really long amount of time. Because when hair usually goes, how long do you go? Like 6 months sometimes in between colors.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna just create a diffusion at the root, so that as her hair is growing, it's just gonna still look really pretty. So she's not gonna get like that line that gets usually when you get highlights. So this gloss is like matching the same root as like her natural root. Have you ever had this done before you came to me?
I don't think so. I had no idea what a gloss was.
It's like a root gloss.
Yeah. So when you texted me that one time, you were like, oh yeah, we could do a gloss. And I was like, what is that?
Yeah, some people call it like a toner.
Oh, no, I don't think so. Still.
I mean, you probably did get a toner, but no one ever told you you were getting a toner.
probably.
Like, that's usually what happens.
So we are finally done at the salon. We've been there since 11 a.m. and it's currently 4:11. So it was definitely a long day. So we cut it short, as you can see, and she retouched the color. It's much lighter now. She is an amazing color specialist and just an overall hairstylist. I drive from freaking Orange County to LA, and that's probably the only person I would drive up to LA for. So if you guys are local, or if you're looking for a nice hairstylist, I'm gonna leave Kiki's information down below, her Instagram, where you could contact her for bookings. Check her out. She is amazing at what she does. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.